Hello, good morning, Navin.
Good morning, sir.
Today we are going to discuss on the topic
Birthdays.
birthday. Okay, that is going to be an interesting topic, I guess.
Yes.
Yes, all right. Do you like celebrating birthday or not?
Yes, I love birthdays because they bring family and friends together in celebration.
All right. Uh, Navin, can you tell because instead of because? Pronounce it properly because.
Because
All right, eh? Uh, okay, it brings our family together. Number two, how do you usually celebrate your birthday?
I usually have a small gathering with friends along with cake and
All right. So you have a celebration with a cake.
yes.
Fine. What was your most memorable birthday?
My 15th birthday was unforgettable. It was a surprise party with all my loved ones and heartfelt gifts.
All right. It was unforgettable. Great. How do children celebrate in your country?
Children children often have a theme parties with balloons, games, cake, and sometimes clowns or magicians.
All right. So even people uh, bring magicians to celebrate. Great. All right. Do you like giving birthday gifts or not? Why?
Absolutely, I enjoy finding the perfect gift that matches recipient's personality.
Great. Fine. Next question. What is a popular birthday gift in your culture?
Uh, Clothes, books, sweets, and cans are popular gifts in my culture.
Great. Clothes, sweets, books, and cash. Great. Have you ever forgotten someone's birthday?
Unfortunately, yes, but I made it up with uh, heartfelt apology and belated gifts.
All right. You have forgotten, but later on you gifted him something or her
Yes.
something.
Yes.
Great. Fine. And do adults celebrate birthdays the same way as children?
Not exactly. Adults prefer simple dinners or trip,
Mhm.
while children love parties and games.
And do you think birthdays are important? Why?
Yes, uh, they are a time. They are a time for reflection, gratitude, and celebration of life.
All right. Gratitude means giving thanks to someone. All right. Next one. Have birthday celebrations changed over time in your country?
Yes, now people throw more uh, elaborate
Mhm.
elaborate often parties often influenced by social media trends.
All right. They throw and elaborate the party is great. What kind of birthday cake do you like?
Uh, Chocolate truffle is my all-time favorite. It's rich and indolent.
Great. Do you enjoy attending all these birthday parties?
Yes, it is a great way to bond and uh, show that you care.
Okay, fine. And are surprise parties common in your culture?
Yes, becoming more common, especially among young people.
Amazing. Uh, what would you? What would be your ideal birthday celebration?
Uh, a, a peaceful nature with close friends, good food, and would be laughter would be perfect.
All right, that means you love nature with your friends. Great. Do people in your country celebrate birthdays at midnight?
Yes, midnight celebration are popular, especially among teenagers and young adults.
And have you ever made a handmade gift for someone's birthday?
Yes, I made a scrapbook for my friend. It feel uh, it filled photos and
Maybe memories also,
yes,
yeah, filled with memories. Great. And do you prefer big parties or intimate gatherings?
intimate gatherings. I value deep conversation over loud music.
Great. Next question. This is going to be third last question. That is, how do social media affect birthday celebrations?
Social media, social media
Mm-hmm.
uh, amplify
Mm-hmm.
wishes instantly,
Uh-huh.
share moment.
Ah, great. So, amplify means to make it larger and bigger, amplify. Got it. Okay, next one. What do you usually wear on your birthday?
I usually wear new clothes, traditional
Mhm.
attire.
All right, fine. Do you believe in birthday wishes coming true?
Not really, but
Mhm. But it's a kind of tradition people
yes,
do more often.
yes.
All right. So you have prepared really well, and you have spoken in amazing manner. Keep it up. That's all. Thank you so much.
Thanks.